I've made over $19,000 clipping on Whop, and I've helped my students make over $100,000 doing the same exact thing. And here's exactly how I target US viewers so I can meet the audience requirements for campaigns. I also have completely rebuilt my clipping course. It's now 20 plus videos covering everything I know, and I already have dozens of students seeing success with Whop clipping, so I'll leave a link to that in the description. Now let's get straight into it. A lot of Whop campaigns require 30 to 60% tier 1 viewers, and the US is obviously one of the most important countries, but your setup depends on the platform. YouTube is by far the easiest, and it's what I personally use. I don't use a proxy. My videos are in English, titles are in English, descriptions are in English, and the actual content is made for an American audience. That's literally my setup. You can use a proxy, but personally, I've never needed one. TikTok and Instagram are where I would use a different setup. If I'm specifically trying to operate the account from the US, I want a dedicated device with a quality US proxy. Don't constantly turn a VPN or a proxy on and off on your main phone. Instead, get a dedicated burner phone, connect it to a good US proxy, and only use that environment for these accounts. A used iPhone might cost around $80, plus roughly a few dollars per proxy depending on the provider. But if you're running multiple accounts, buying and managing a bunch of phones gets annoying very quickly. And that's where a website called GoLogin comes in. GoLogin has something called Cloud Android, which basically gives you a full Android device running in the cloud that you control remotely. So instead of buying another physical phone, let me show you exactly how this works. Go into GoLogin and open Cloud Android. Then click to create a new profile. This profile essentially acts as its own cloud phone. I can configure a proxy for the profile, so in this example, I'm going to use a US location. Then create the profile and launch it. And now I'm literally controlling an Android environment from my computer. I can navigate around the Android interface, install apps like TikTok or Instagram, and use them inside this environment. And this is what makes it useful for clipping. Instead of buying multiple burner phones, I can create multiple cloud Android profiles and manage them from here. Each one basically works as its own cloud phone for different accounts, apps, or tasks. For better isolation, GoLogin themselves recommend using a different proxy for each profile, rather than putting everything through the same IP. And Cloud Android supports residential, mobile, and data center proxies, either GoLogin's options or your own. So instead of having 5 physical phones that need to be bought, charged, and managed, you can manage multiple Android environments from one screen. Cloud Android is currently in beta, so it's still evolving. But if you're managing multiple TikTok or Instagram accounts, this is exactly the type of thing it's made for. GoLogin's Cloud Android is gonna be linked below if you wanna try it for yourselves. If you prefer to use a physical phone, that's completely fine. Use a dedicated phone and get a quality static proxy from somewhere like ProxyCheap, IP Royal, or Decodo. I would also check the proxy before using it and avoid constantly changing locations. Then just create a fresh account and warm it up for a few days before posting. I'm not gonna go through my entire warming up process here because that takes forever, but my exact process is inside my course if you wanna check it out. And remember, a US proxy doesn't guarantee US viewers. You still need to make content for Americans. English voice, English captions, English titles and descriptions, and topics that an American audience actually wants to watch. The proxy is just a part of the setup. The content still does all the heavy lifting. So to summarize, when it comes to YouTube, I personally just use English US focused content, no proxy. TikTok and Instagram, dedicated environment, quality US proxy, fresh account, warm it up, and then post. Use a burner phone if you already have one, or just use GoLogin's Cloud Android if you would rather create and manage cloud phones without buying a bunch of physical devices. Then stop worrying about the setup and focus on making clips people actually want to watch. GoLogin and my full clipping course are both linked below.